Ready to supercharge your income? Learn the top 5 side hustles to make $500 per month in 2023. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Looking for ways to boost your income and achieve financial stability? Look no further. In this informative video, we spill the beans on the top 5 side hustles that are guaranteed to help you make an extra $500 per month in 2023. From the comfort of your own home to flexible gigs that fit your schedule, we explore a range of lucrative opportunities that anyone can pursue. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a busy parent, these side hustles are designed to be easily integrated into your lifestyle. Join us as we dive into each side hustle, providing step-by-step guidance, insider tips, and real-life success stories to inspire you. Discover the secrets of leveraging your skills, passions, and available resources to generate a reliable stream of income on the side. Don't let financial constraints hold you back from living the life you deserve. It's time to take control of your financial future and unlock the potential of these top 5 side hustles in 2023. Get ready to level up your income and make $500 per month with these proven strategies. 1. Freelance writing. As a freelance writer, you can offer your services to various clients and publications. Start by creating a portfolio of your writing samples to showcase your skills. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can connect you with clients seeking writers. You can specialize in different niches like technology, finance, travel, or lifestyle, depending on your expertise and interests. Set your rates per word, per article, or per project, and deliver high-quality content within agreed-upon deadlines to build a strong reputation and attract more clients. 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring has become increasingly popular, providing flexibility and convenience for both tutors and students. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, and Tutor.com can help you connect with students seeking academic assistance. You can also create your own tutoring website or advertise your services on social media. Determine your subject area and grade level expertise, set competitive rates, and develop engaging lesson plans. Build a positive rapport with your students, provide personalized guidance, and watch your reputation grow through word-of-mouth referrals. 3. E-commerce. Launching an e-commerce business allows you to sell products to a global audience. Start by identifying a niche or product category you're passionate about. Research suppliers, or consider creating your own products if you have the necessary skills. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon make it easy to set up an online store with customizable features. Invest time in creating appealing product listings, high-quality product images, and effective marketing strategies. Utilize social media, influencer collaborations, and targeted advertising to drive traffic to your store and convert visitors into customers. 4. Virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative, creative, or technical support to busy professionals or entrepreneurs. Determine your skill set and the services you can offer, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, graphic design, or website maintenance. Create a professional website or join freelancer platforms where clients can find and hire you. Showcase your expertise and previous work experience, set competitive rates, and communicate your availability and turnaround times clearly. Deliver exceptional results, maintain open communication with clients, and aim to build long-term relationships for recurring work. 5. App development. App development requires technical skills, but it can be a highly rewarding side hustle. Start by identifying a problem or gap in the market that an app can solve. Learn programming languages such as Java or Swift, or consider using app development tools and platforms like Flutter or React Native. Develop a unique and user-friendly app, conduct thorough testing, and optimize its performance. You can monetize your app through in-app purchases, advertisements, or a paid version. Promote your app through app stores, social media, and targeted marketing campaigns to attract users and generate revenue. Remember, each side hustle requires effort, continuous learning, and adaptability. Stay updated with industry trends, seek feedback from clients or users, and actively market your services or products to maximize your earning potential. With dedication and perseverance, you can turn these side hustles into sustainable income streams. As we come to the end of this video, I hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. And remember, if you want to stay up to date with our latest uploads, make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.